Well, so this will be I guess, the end of this build. The truck is going to be passed on to a new owner today. Sold on, not really passed, but anyways, it doesn't matter. This has been a fun build. I hope the new owner enjoys it just as much as I have. They came by yesterday very excited about the condition of the truck, the project, and very excited. I'm really excited for them, actually. They're getting a great truck. The thing runs really well. If it just gets put together, get all the lights plugged back in, you can make this thing street worthy. And it is street worthy, by the way. It does drive and start and all that good stuff. It just got to plug the lights back in because I unplugged them to shorten the bed. So I did well, not much more to see under the hood other than what's already been shown in the past. But there's the engine. She starts right up now. The belts have been adjusted, tightened actually. They were
There's Pawpaw's truck going to a new home.